Today's BBC breakfast was hosted by Charlie Stayt, 56, and Naga Munchetty, 43, who are delivering the top news stories. Meanwhile, Carol Kirkwood, 56, was live in the RHS Garden Wisley to deliver the weather report. However, when Naga crossed over to the meteorologist for an update, there was a major technical issue. Viewers could hear Ling as Carol tried to speak to the presenters as she stood outside in the rain. "Talking of lovely outdoor spaces, Morning Carol," Naga said. However, as Carol tried to reply to Naga, her words were broken up and led, leaving the first sentence almost inaudible as the camera panned across marigold flowers. "Yes, morning Naga, it's beautiful here. Carol is at RHS Garden Wisley for us this morning, in amongst the marigolds. You were asking me earlier if you can smell them, if you rub their leaves. Yes, I think it's quite a peppery smell," Carol stated. She then proceeded with today's weather forecast, noting, "Now this morning they're getting a good drink, we've got some light rain, it's quite a cloudy start to the day. The forecast for us all today is one of sunshine and showers, and that rain is going to be quite heavy." However, despite several weeks of extremely hot weather, viewers were pleased with the weather report Carol was giving. Many of those tuning into the BBC breakfast show commented on the technical issue and expressed their delight with the cooler weather. Taking to Twitter, one said, "Carol Kirkwood in Wisley drowned out by the constant drone of A3 traffic. Really don't miss the southeast." Another added, "Ed BBC breakfast, any chance of a directional microphone for Carol in Wisley? It would make it so much easier to hear her over the sound of the M25 per R3. Ed Carol Kirkwood, what is the horrible background sound you are competing with?" a third asked. Another wrote, "Morning Carol, nice to see some rain too XXX, sick," while someone else continued, "Ed Carol Kirkwood, thanks for the great explanation of uncertainty in the forecast this morning." It came after Naga was criticized by viewers on yesterday's show during a chat with Welsh singer Ellan Perry on the sofa. Viewers were left unhappy when Naga appeared to mispronounce the guest's name, when she placed more stress on the letter E. Outraged by this awkward gaffe, one viewer remarked the BBC presenter had time before Ellan came on, in which to pronounce her name correctly. Another added, "Ed BBC breakfast, please learn how to pronounce names such as your guest Ellan Perry." The Welsh singer appeared on the sofa to discuss her career after being signed up to Decca Records earlier this year. The 15-year-old had appeared on ITV's This Time Next Year back in May, where she told host Davina McCall she would land a record deal within a year, which she managed to achieve. BBC Breakfast airs weekdays at 6 a.m. on BBC One.